Our bank is a leader in trade finance in Africa. We are the only trade finance bank that has a multilateral status and preferred creditor status in 34 African countries. Although a multilateral development bank, we operate as a profit-oriented institution. We have consistently paid dividends to our shareholders since 1997. We have a unique positioning. Through our bank, you can access 34 African countries, as I said, through experienced staff with a long continuity, a long experience in trade finance, staff coming from 10 African countries, all gathered either at our headquarters in Cairo or in Abuja and Harare. Our loan book is mainly short-term and secured, and have self-liquidating trade finance structures with the majority of loan repayment risk usually transferred to OECD countries. That's what explains a gross NPL ratio of less than 1%. The bank has a solid credit profile, BBB minus rated by S&P and Fitch, BBB by Moody's, a payout ratio larger than 20%, return on average equity of about 11.5%. Our total assets is around $3.7 billion. When the bank was being established in 1993, total African trade was around $200 billion. In 2011, total African trade passed the 1 trillion mark. That's why the bank has undertaken an initiative to increase its capital. And to increase our capital, we have created a new class of shares, which is essentially targeted at attracting institutional investors, equity funds, etc. It is a class that in the next 2 to 3 years, we intend to put on the S1 stock market. So you are talking about an institution with a preferred creditor status and an institution that can also pay high return on your investments. That is the bank that we are presenting to you today. Thank you very much.
Doing business in Africa, you can't afford to be without Africa Investor.